Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your game development with Unity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your game development with Unity, first ensure you have a solid understanding of the Unity interface. Familiarize yourself with the main panels, scene, game, hierarchy, inspector, and project. Start by organizing your project structure in the project window. Create folders for assets, scripts, scenes, and prefabs. Next, focus on modular design for your game components. Break down your game into smaller, reusable scripts. Use prefabs to create templates for your game objects. This allows for easier updates and changes across multiple instances. Implement the singleton design pattern for essential game managers. This ensures that you maintain control over key components without redundancy. As you build, consider using Unity's addressable asset system for managing large amounts of content. This helps in loading and unloading assets efficiently. Next, leverage Unity's built-in prefabrication and layering system. This can enhance your workflow by enabling more straightforward prototype iterations. Utilize version control systems like Git to manage your project files. This allows for easy collaboration and backup of your work. Optimize your assets by reducing texture sizes and using efficient models. This can dramatically improve game performance. Set up a build pipeline using Unity Cloud Build. This automates the process of creating builds across multiple platforms. Finally, test your game frequently across various devices. This ensures a smooth user experience. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to scaling your game development in Unity effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.